Hello, and welcome to the Murray Library at Messiah College. The goal of this video is to enable you to create stable and accessible links to library resources that you can embed in Canvas courses and other documents. To access the Create links from the library homepage, select Library Services, select For Faculty and Staff, select Create Links in Canvas for articles, streaming videos, and more. This page contains instructions for how to create links to library resources. You can then insert these links into Canvas, syllabi, or other documents. A library link must meet two criteria for it to work well for students. The URL in your link must have what we call an easy proxy segment in the address. This part of the URL allows off-campus students to access the materials in the same way as students who are on campus. If the URL is missing this easy proxy segment, then it will work for students when they are on campus, but will give students an error message when they are off campus. Secondly, the link must be a stable link. Some databases call this a permalink, so that it will work not just now, but also in the future for student access. To use this page, simply determine what database the materials that you wish to link to reside in. You will see here that we link many of our major databases. Find the database and follow the instructions to create a link that will work on and off campus and that is stable. I'll show you a few examples. Note that many of our databases are from EBSCO. In an EBSCO database, look for the permalink in the right column. Copy the URL that appears after selecting permalink. You may then paste this URL into your Canvas course, syllabus, or other documents. Note that many of our ebook collections, including our eBook Central database, allow you to link to an entire book or to specific chapters within that book. Simply follow these instructions to generate the appropriate URL. Note that in this database, you will need to first copy and paste the easy proxy address and then the URL to the ebook. Let me show you how this is done. First, copy and paste the easy proxy URL into your Canvas course. Then go to the ebook. In this case, I'm in eBook Central. I have searched for and found an ebook and selected the Share Link to Book. I then copy and paste this book URL after the easy proxy URL segment. Now this book will be available to students on and off campus. To link to a chapter instead, open the ebook, go to the chapter that you wish to link to, and select the link icon in the top menu. The link will now go directly to the chapter that you wish students to read. You can also link to streaming videos. In most of our streaming video databases, such as Films on Demand, you can link to an entire video or to just a segment of the video. In this case, I'm in the Films on Demand database. Note that the URL that is generated in the embed link contains the easy proxy segment. If I have an account in this database, I can also create a segment of the video for students to watch, rather than linking to the entire video. Please feel free to contact your librarian directly for any assistance with creating stable and accessible links to library resources. We are always happy to help.